What's up everybody, welcome to Deta. So today I'm going to show you how to remove any types of ads in Google Chrome. So this way you don't have to remove ads manually, it will remove the ads automatically, and to remove that one by one it will be remove all the ads automatically from any commercial website or any types of website that shows ads. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is only for Google Chrome. So you have to use Google Chrome. So I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser. So this is it. And then you have to search. Ad blocker. Blocker in the search. Just click on enter. After searching ad blocker, you can see the first link, ad block, and then this is the one, best ad blocker. Just click on it. This is taking time, so you can see that this is an extension for Google Chrome. Just click on here, you can see the add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, and then you can see a pop-up screen here, which is have add extension and cancel. You have to just click on add extension. And you can see that there are some things checking. So CRX file downloaded for Google Chrome, and then adblock is now installed. So installing adblock done. So this is it. You can see the extension from here. So just pin it. This is how you can block any types of ads. So this is an ad blocker. So when you visit any commercial website that shows ads, so that will remove automatically. While you using this extension, those ads always will be removed automatically. I don't want to promote any types of commercial websites, so I'm not going to show you, but this will work 100%. If don't, you can comment in the video. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next.